Brake right, brake right! I've got a missile closing in fast.
Today, we are mastering Google Veo 3.1 and exploring 3 incredible AI tools that let you access this powerful video generation technology for free and without limit. Let's dive into our first tool, Google Flow AI. To get started, use your Google search to search for Google Flow AI. Click the link and it will take you through registration or directly to the Google Flow AI interface if you have registered. And then click on New Project. Once the project opens, you will see the prompt bar where all the magic happens. Click on the bar to access your settings and ensure you have video selected. Google Flow offers several versions of the model: Veo 3.1 Lite, Veo 3.1 Fast, and Veo 3.1 Quality. While Quality costs 100 credits, the Veo 3.1 Lite version only uses 10 credits per generation, making it the best choice for free users since Google Flow gives you 50 credits every day. Simply paste your video prompt, hit generate, and watch the realistic result come to life. When you are ready to save your work, click the 3 dots on the video, select 720 pixel original size, and hit download. Next up is Google Vids. This tool is incredibly accessible. If you have a Gmail account, you can find it directly through a Google search or via the Chrome browser. Once inside the interface, select the new Veo 3.1 model and describe the video you want to create. After hitting create, click insert to bring your video into the timeline where you can review the clear, high-quality footage. To export, just go to File, select Download, and choose MP4 video to save it directly to your device. 3. Snapgen AI. Finally, for those who want unlimited and forever free access to Veo 3.1 without any credit limitations, we have Snapgen AI. After a quick registration with your email on snapgen.ai, you will enter the interface where you can see the prompt bar. Even though the platform might show a credit balance, generating with Veo 3.1 Fast is completely free. You can customize your video up to 8 seconds in length and choose between 16:9 or 9:16 aspect ratios. After you click create, you will pass a quick human verification and then the tools generate your video in the background. You don't even have to stay on the page. Just check the history tab when it's ready to view and download your final masterpiece. 3 powerful ways to use Veo 3.1 for free. Whether you are using the daily credit of Google Flow, the creative ingredient of Google Vids, or the unlimited power of Snapgen AI. High-quality AI video is now at your fingerprint.